of cartoon.
Clover cat.
Voices.
Pilou cat.
Begin.
Never in my life I think I have to deal with ya. The old school crack pack, rock fluffy memorabilia. No wits for every syllable. Your show is just so typical. I'm the pinnacle scribble flows. Well, you're just despicable. Shocked as last Buster. Think you can take down the Duck-a-muck? Elder can compare to the shortness with this duck. His mouth he censored even last 10 minutes with bugs. No need to duck avenge yourself. I'm the king of space dog. Yes, you might be the first, but in the ring you'll last. Secondly, looking short-tempered as a rap obliques merry melody. Sit back onto ice, you not close your chance for me. So see what happens when this lunatic is unlaid. Well, thank God for subtitles, I can barely comprehend you. I think your birth so centered would try and go and defend you. Putting me to sleep with your exotic acting dope. You thought I was fun? No, that's not all, folks. Your comedy's atrocious, simply incoherent cracking. When my manners meet your mouth, you'll be too busy napping. We're relevant without my tune, perfect for cartoons. But hey, let me know if they ever give you a reboot.
Who won? Who's next? You decide. On big rock block tools of cartoon.